Hi guys, I want to share this with you. I finally made something that my son, when he tasted, he said, "Can I have the rest of that?" It actually tastes really good. I had these cans of, I had these left over from, actually, I had them from Thanksgiving. And I said, what can I do with them to make something sweet? Not too sweet. I like when I bake things so I can control the sugar. So I took a can of this and I took the same recipe that I make, try to make my that taste when I want have a taste for a biscuit. And so I use that and add this in there with some spices. And believe it or not, it tastes so good. It tastes like sweet potato pie. And I think that's because I put vanilla flavor in there, but it wasn't complicated. I did not use egg. I did not use milk. I was going to use water, but I didn't have no need to use that. It was so simple. All it is 1 3/4 cup of flour, some sugar to tasting, baking soda, baking powder, about half a teaspoon, salt, and I put some cinnamon, pinch of ginger, and what is vanilla flavor, and of course I added this. It tastes so good. I said, let me make it up as a muffin. So it really tastes good and so simple. I was on Facebook. Well, I was on YouTube looking for recipes to make this, and I said, wait a minute, I have to use what I have in my cabinet. So I used what I had in my cabinet, and I'm thankful I did. It turned out real nice. Oh, and the main ingredient that I used, because I did not have oil. I didn't have no oil. I had oil to put it in a pan to not stick to spray, but I didn't have any. So I used the key ingredient, mayonnaise. Key ingredient, yes. I used that because I didn't want to use the butter, so I said I'll use the mayo because I used that for another thing that I try to make up when I have a taste for it. So it turned out real good. So try it. Simple. It tastes good. I'm sure you'll love it too. God bless. Bye bye for now.